What's the meaning of colligate? Colligate. Colligate.
Colligate. Colligate. The word colligate means to link or connect different things together in a systematic way. When we colligate, we are grouping disparate elements into a cohesive whole. The result of colligating is a clearer understanding of the relationships between these various elements. It allows us to see patterns and connections that we might not have noticed otherwise. Ultimately, colligation can help us to make more informed decisions and arrive at more accurate conclusions by taking into account all available information and synthesizing it into a meaningful whole.